Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi neighbors, new neighbors. Today we have a fight on our hands. I rebuilt this master cylinder. I sort of cobbled together a brake line and went through my rear caliper, and I still don't have brakes. No brakes. I had to double check. No brakes. So we're going to replace this line I made. I think there might be a restriction, or maybe the hose is messed up. I don't know. Welcome your ideas in the comments, because I'm pretty stuck here. But I'll bring you along for my journey here, and hopefully I can figure it out today. If not, then you know, there's always tomorrow. So let's get into it. All right, let's start with this caliper. I took it apart and cleaned it up a while back, but I bought new seals. I'm just going to go ahead and put them in. All right, now we need to blow that. Boy, that thing's not leaking much. Should have a lot more fluid in there than that. Okay. All right. All right. Just trying to force this piston out. Ooh. Alright. That piston sure is sticky in there. You'd think it would just come right on out. It's not. Alright. Wow, really? Still stuck in there. Let's try it like that. Alright. There's the piston. The piston bore. Get a light on that. It's a little bit messed up down there in the bottom. Got a little bit of pitting, but it doesn't look bad, and I don't see why it would cause the piston to freeze. But anyway, we'll clean that up a little bit more. Here's the piston itself, and she looks fine. All right, there's that, and there's that. And that seems, it can slide in and out like that. Nothing wrong with that. Looks fine. Let's just put the seals in there and all are good. As far as I can tell, there's no front or back. This is just square. It almost feels like there's a slight lip on this side. So if I face that down, that would be better. I don't know. We'll just do it that way. I already thoroughly cleaned these calipers when I pulled them apart last time, so they're still pretty clean. A little bit of brake fluid using .5. This stuff And you know, maybe that's half the problem. First time I've ever done a .5. I always just end up putting .3 in there because it's easy and I know it, and right, no big deal. But this .3. So the other thing I was thinking is if the piston goes below this surface and ends up covering up these holes, that would not allow fluid to flow. So I'm going to try to keep her about an 1/8 inch from the bottom. So I'm going to pull the seal out again and see what that looks like. If I got this guy in there, and where's my 3/8? There's my 3/8. But what I'm curious about, so that's all the way in, and I would think it would need to be at least there. Okay, so let's see if I have her all the way in, if everything still flows. That, I got that, I got that. And let's see, let's throw a rag in there, take up a little bit of the slack. So my guess is it won't flow right. You won't be able to get much through, but I don't know. Just a little teeny bit. Not a ton. Let's see if she's out where I think she needs to be. Let's see if she'll fall out. Oh, yeah, good, she does. Let's put her about right there. Go here and here. Okay. Okay. That's pretty strong. I think that's where the caliper needs to be before it goes in the bike. Not all the way pushed in, so guess I should read that factory service manual. Yeah, it might be a good idea. There's my seal. I hope. Let's see, this and this. Yes, and there's that new seal. And there's the brake. Okay. Alright. Okay, we'll put that halfway in. That's where I want it. The old one did not feel hard at all. Oh well, whatever. Let's do this. Well, okay, let's, instead of doing all that, let's push her in and then we'll have to push her out. Okay. Yeah, I need to stay in there. Put a little Teflon tape on there to hopefully keep things. Okay. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna like pre-bleed these. See how that goes. All right. Okay. So. Hmm. That's not working. Okay. It might be working a little bit, but let's take this out and try again. At least get this much bled. Okay. Ah! That's gonna happen. Okay. So since I ran the master cylinder dry, I'm going to re-bleed it. Add some more fluid and bleed it again. Oh yeah, she's full of air. All right, let's leave this guy down here. Go through there. Oh, that's nice. And the fluid's coming out. Come on, you. Okay. Love brakes. So much fun. But it is what it is. Okay. Okay. Patience time. Patience time. Now that I finally have it hooked up to the master cylinder, I can install the caliper. However, since the bleeder position is facing the wrong way when it's installed, I have to install it temporarily in an upright position so I can bleed them. With the caliper installed and plumbed to the master cylinder, I can hook up my vacuum bleeder and attempt to try to suck fluid through the new hose, through the bleeder screw and the caliper, and get these brakes bled. All right, let's give her a few pumps, see what she does. When I'm pumping, see, it gets a big old stream right inside the master cylinder. Seems like it should be on the return stroke, like it's sending all of its pumping energy straight back up to the reservoir. Something seems wrong with that. I put a new cartridge in. I thought that was gonna fix it. I guess I could crack the line. Well, I'm able to suck fluid through too, but I don't think I got any pumping force. So this is a mystery. All right, I wanted to test a theory. I deadheaded the master cylinder after I bled it again, and I get a nice big geyser of fluid out, but I get no pressure. It's producing no pressure, and I got full movement here. Something is wrong with that master cylinder. That's my guess. That's a theory I'm going to go with, so we'll see what happens. Well, guys, yeah, this has been like the third or fourth time I've tried to bleed these brakes, and absolute abject failure. But you know what? I'm laughing about it, so that's good. Not letting my temper and frustration get the better of me. But I still need an answer. I need to get these brakes working. So I think I've narrowed it down to this master cylinder. Even though I put a brand new cartridge in it, maybe it was junk. It was slightly different than the original cartridge. So I don't know, but I think I should be able to deadhead it and it produce a pressure. It should make the brake pedals, you know, I shouldn't have full travel. That ain't right. So reaching out to the community, if any of you guys have any great ideas on these master cylinders, I have never had this much trouble with a brake system before, ever. I did everything I knew how to do, but next thing I'm going to do is, I guess, look for another cartridge. I don't know. I'm going to wait for your guys' comments. So I really appreciate it if you reach out and you know, tell me what your ideas are in the comments. That'd be great. So until the next one, I'll catch you later.